John will start. Tomorrow back to school. I'm not even 3 minutes start. And tomorrow school.
Man, what I'm saying?
You know say tomorrow back to school?
I tell. That's your mama tell me for trim. So stupid. Yo, dog, I'm best friend, dog.
Yeah.
You do anything for me?
Not everything.
Man, you broke my hand.
Yeah, man. Me do it. Yeah, man. You broke your hand.
I broke my hand.
You mean, bro?
Just sit there. No, that's too little.
Wait. That's the one.
Yeah. That one.
Sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dog. Alright, I'm right with. See that one.
Sure? But dog, you still can't go school. One your foot there.
Achoo, put me in the tree now. Put me in the tree.
Dog, just jump. Don't think much. Just jump.
Don't jump in the car. Mommy. Mommy.
Mom, Tia! You better put myself when you still at my school!
Feeling used, but I'm still missing you, and I can't see the end of this. Just wanna feel your kiss against my lips, and now all this time is passing by.